Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto Toro. During today's video, I would like to talk about Litecoin. But firstly, guys, I really appreciated all the support on my latest video. It was my very first video on YouTube. So thank you very much for all the likes, all the comments, and most of all, thank you very much for all the people that subscribe to my channel. I'm really pleased and really pumped to just place even more videos on YouTube. So thank you very much. But just to start right away, I would like to go to the Litecoin compared to US dollar chart. As you can see, the Litecoin trend is for me quite bullish. The trend is still an uptrend. You can recognize this by the higher highs that are being created and also by the higher lows that are being created. This is very important. This means that the uptrend is still going on and that we will see a possible gain in the near future. So my price targets, well, I would like to talk about that just in a few seconds, but firstly I would like to show you the Fibonacci retracement tool, and I will start by placing it on the highest top, as you can see right over here, and I will just place my second point on the lowest point in the chart, just to make sure. You always have to do this very precisely so you can, well, obtain the most accurate information. So as you can see, Litecoin is trading on previous resistance, and right now it became support right over here. So this is very important that Litecoin didn't break through this previous resistance and just used it as a support line. This is important for me because it means that Litecoin will be very likely going upward in the coming weeks or maybe even the upcoming days. So that's just really nice to start a video with by showing you this support at 0.8618 Fibonacci level. And also a previous resistance that became support right now. Secondly, guys, I would like to show you the Litecoin compared to Bitcoin chart on the daily candles. This is especially because I recognize a pattern that's very important to me. It's a falling wedge that's being created. This falling wedge, I will start by drawing a line right over here. It's also very important that this falling wedge has also 3 significant touch points on the upper part, and on the lower part it has also actually not only 3 but perhaps it has 4. Yes, it has one right over here, one right here, and the fourth one is right over here. So that's very important to me. It's a pattern with lots of touch points, so it means that it will probably tend to break out to the upside, especially because the falling wedge is a bullish bias pattern. Litecoin already breaking through the resistance of the falling wedge, and I'm still waiting for a confirmation of Litecoin by finding support on the previous resistance of the falling wedge. And the possible price target of Litecoin where I'm looking at this moment is approximately around 1,000 US dollar in the upcoming weeks. This is because Litecoin is, well, as you can see, still it hasn't seen all-time highs yet, and I think it will be reaching new all-time highs very shortly. And this first pump will be approximately, let's take a look, guys, just right over here. The start of the upper part of the falling wedge, and it will be a pump of approximately 131%. This means to me that Litecoin will be performing very well in the upcoming weeks, and that's especially also why I think you can still make great profits on Litecoin at this particular moment. Also, very important to know, Litecoin has been talked about lately on a few different spaces as well. One of those places where you can buy Litecoin at this moment that's very important is a German digital stock exchange. And it's important because Litecoin because of this move, Litecoin has become more mainstream, and I think that Litecoin is also a great asset in the long term. But just for the upcoming weeks, because that's what my video is mostly about, I think that Litecoin will be performing very well, and I think it most likely will hit the $100,000 in the upcoming week. So that's just my price target, my personal opinion. So please, guys, do your own research and find out if you think that Litecoin is going to perform well as well. But due to this significant factor right over here on the daily candle, I think it will be a huge breakout that's being played out right now, and I think you don't want to miss this out. So thank you very much for watching the video. I hope once again that I gave you information that you were searching for, and I'm really pumped to upload my next video. So please, guys, subscribe once again and have a nice day. Peace out.